Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today we're going to make a favorite party dish which is called nacho. You know what means nacho in Indian language? It means dance. So this is a favorite party dish for any party. Okay, so for our nachos, we're going to first make this sauce which is like the mornay sauce but extra cheese added to it. So it's called queso. Then we have beef. You can either make with beef and chicken. We're going to make two varieties of it. And this is the avocado, and this is the pico de gallo. You can either keep it separate or mix it. And very healthy chips which we are using today. Or you can just get some nacho chips from the store and use that also. So this is what you'll need to make some fantastic nachos. Okay, so for the cheese sauce, which is just like a mornay sauce, but little extra cheese, usually use some nice yellow cheddar cheese because it gives nice yellow color. So let this melt and we'll make our cheese sauce just like a mornay sauce, which is in our YouTube videos. Wow. Okay, so nice, make a roux. Don't burn it because this has to be white sauce with some nice cheese, okay? Here we are. The roux will thicken it by itself. And to this, I'm gonna add my milk and let it come to thicken, and then we'll add our cheese. Okay, now I know that this is going to come to a nice boil, so I don't want to thicken it. I want to thicken it with my cheese. So here I'm adding my cheese before it even comes to a thicken. So that way the cheese and the roux will thicken along with it. There you are. This is a nice queso. You don't want to add any seasoning to it because the cheese already has salt. And even the nachos, when we put it, there is salt, and we can always add some jalapenos to give some nice kick to it, fresh jalapenos. So no pepper, no nothing in this, just this nice nacho sauce, which is also queso or a rich mornay sauce. Here you are. It's already thick. It's not, you don't want to thicken it too much. Okay, here you are with my queso. Nice and thick. Okay guys, so we are ready to assemble our nachos. Our cheese sauce is ready. So first, never make this, you get your nachos ready, only make this in front of your guest, because if you add too much cheese, the chips tend to get soggy if it's left for a long time, okay? So this is how you do it. Now you added your salsa, drizzle your vegetables the way you want it. If you want spicy, we could also add some jalapeno on it. And oh wow, it looks so colorful. Look at that. Tomatoes, smells the yummy. Then you add, this is our minced beef, which is also on our food channel and also on a blog, the Topper Chef blog, which is the Mexican minced beef. It has got a special seasoning in it, so you gotta check it out on the blog. Put enough, how much you want. Then our avocados. Oh man, the avocados really make this dish so good. Okay, generous amount of avocados. And just spread it well. And this also is special kind of avocado dip. You can look at this video also in our YouTube channel. So you can also add some more chili. There you are. And that's it. So this is how our nachos are gonna look. This is the beef nachos. And now, if you like this beef nachos, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking.